All right, we're at the Miller Nature Center in Avon, Ohio with Emma today, and we're getting ready to take a tour through their beautiful garden greenhouse. What do you have to say about it, Emma? What do you think? Well, turn around here and let me see your face. What do you think so far?
It's nice.
Very nice. Miller is out here on Route 83 in Avon. Miller Nature Center, just built 12 years ago. Mr. Miller apparently owned a big piece of property here, and he donated this to Lorain County. And it's absolutely beautiful.
Wonder where the bird is.
What's that?
Where the bird is.
Oh, it's back here somewhere. They're supposed to have a parrot here somewhere living. Little water feature. What do you think, Karen, of this place?
Actually recognizing a lot of Florida plants here. I saw purple queen and throaton back there that are very tropical Florida plants.
It feels like Florida in here, doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah. It's pretty humid today, warm, but very pretty. Did you see the gator? Gator there.
Oh yeah, there's the alligator. Not quite as big as the ones we have in Florida.
So I do feel like I'm in Florida.
There we go. All right, I think we're coming up to their parrot that lives here. His name is Echo, and the attendant said he's been quite noisy today. So we'll see if he talks to us at all. Here's his information. I can talk, but only when I want to. Please do not tease me. Hello, Echo. Hello. There he is inside, just nodding at me. Hello, Echo.
I have an Amazon parrot named Echo. I can talk, but only when I want to. Please do not tease me or tempt me to come to you. Please do
Hello,
not
Echo.
come closer than this sign. Hi, Echo. How are you?
There's a bonsai tree.